What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got another truck from out of town, Oklahoma, Crew Cab GMC Sierra. Let's check it out. All the way from I believe it's Guymon, Oklahoma, Crew Cab Sierra. We're gonna be going with one sunroof, 5-button soft touch Wabasto. There she is. This is a little before. That's what she's looking like right now. We're gonna be doing blacking it out, blacking out the plastics, some visors, doing everything black headliner with the soft touch. All right, that's what she's looking like right now. All right, guys, I'm gonna start by removing the usual, breaking down the headliner, getting everything ready for my measurements on my sunroof, and then we'll go from there. All right, stay tuned. Alright, guys, we got the sunroof installed. You can see I'm gonna install the headliner now. Coming out clean. Got the headliner on the back. I'm gonna go ahead and install it now. I'll kick you guys back on once I get everything installed. I still gotta paint the plastics, so that'll be the next thing. Alright, install's done. 3 hours, not bad. Let's check it out. Alright, guys, install's been done. Came out clean. Wabasto 5-button kit. That's gonna be a wrap. Customer's on his way. We'll get some footage of it when it kind of rolls out and go from there. Came out real good. Everything matches. Everything's blacked out. Everything matches. Everything looks good. Alright, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think about this Crew Cab Sierra. Let me know in the comments. And also let me know what you guys want to see I know these cylinders are going to be discontinued. If you guys want to see something else, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys want to see. Maybe I could do a video of it, and we'll go from there. And I'll get some footage of it when it rolls out. She looks good. Alright, peace.